Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Message, Easy Method. Open the Gemini app, tap New Message, and choose a tone that matches your goal. Write a concise prompt with context, role, and desired output, then press Send to generate a reply. Review the response, request revisions, and iterate until satisfied. Save your best prompts for reuse and keep them organized for faster results next time. Use concise prompts with examples to get consistent Gemini replies. Start by defining the role, goal, and constraints, then provide a sample input and the exact output format you want. Specify length in words or bullets and ask for clarifying questions if needed. Test small variations and save high-performing prompts in a library for reuse. This approach reduces guesswork and yields faster, more reliable responses every time. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free prompts and listening to Gemini replies around your home or desk. It brings clear sound, smart home control, and easy voice interactions that pair nicely with message workflows. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Leverage Gemini features like context windows, system messages, and memory to keep conversations coherent across steps. Chain messages together to handle multi-step tasks and include files or examples when necessary. Integrate with APIs or connectors to automate workflows and trigger actions from responses. Monitor token usage and set max tokens to manage cost, and adjust temperature to balance creativity versus consistency for dependable results in production or personal projects. Save templates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.